What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. It's so huge. Now then, and if you look way up top, it says PEZ. I wonder what could be inside. I do have an idea, though. Maybe we could use the Magic PEZ Dispenser. And by using the Magic PEZ Dispenser, let's see what magic has come about. Oh, this is really cool. So, PEZ licensed glasses. Eyewear, if you will. Such a cool display. Here you can see the back. The little holes in the back are going to be for those tabs. You just open it up and put it all together, and then you can display your PEZ eyewear. And one of the things I think is really cool about this, if you look at these little tabs, they're in the shape of PEZ candies. Very neat. Very neat. Even the instruction sheet that goes with it. Anything on back? Nope, nothing on back. Just the front. Oh, that is such an amazing box. So there's numerous pairs of glasses. I know of personally at least 22 versions. I'm sure there's more than that. Some more rare than others. All different colors. Now I would assume you have yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, and green. But I don't have any glasses. Maybe we need some glasses. What do you think, Peter PEZ? PEZ eyewear? Yes. So until next time...